Good morning everyone, my name is Adarsh Vishnoi and today I am drawing the CH-47 Chinook of the US Air Force. The CH-47 Chinook is the world's fastest helicopter. Here's the image of the Chinook. So this is the image of the CH-47 Chinook. This plane is in the US Army livery and now start drawing. Alright, so now let's start drawing. First let's draw the main rotor of the Chinook. The CH-47 Chinook has two rotors. That's why it's the world's fastest helicopter. The Chinook can fly on only one if necessary. The front rotor, also the back rotor. Go over here. Just come over here. I'll draw the rotors. I'll draw the tail planes later. Go over here. The tail. I'll do the rotor blades later. Just go over here. This Chinook's door is open, so I just gotta have to do this. Go over here. This is the door. Just open it in half. I'll just fix the door. It's the little fuselage. Go over here. Alright, so now it looks like a door. Now let's do the upper level. India has ordered 15 Chinooks. India already had received its Chinook by 2019. The Chinook is the world's fastest helicopter. It has a speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour. Just keep drawing the fuselage over here. Stop. Just do like this. Go over here. Just stay over here. I'll draw the rotors later. This means line over here. That separates it from the cockpit windows. Now let's draw the front view of the plane. The helicopter. This is my channel's second helicopter drawing. Over here. I'll also start drawing. Now check if these four are in the same line. So as you can see, these four are in the same order. So it's okay for you. Now let's draw the landing gear. The Chinook has 4 landing gears in total. The Chinook has the M240 chain gun. It's located on the left side, right side, and on the end of the plane where this door is located. Actually, it's a helicopter. Actually, I have a habit of saying plane every time. And now let's draw the landing gear over here. The Chinook is located in Austin's Fort Hood Air Force Base. It's kept in the Mexico border. So as you can see, landing gears and the whole helicopter fuselage is now complete. And now let's draw the cockpit windows of the helicopter, the Chinook. First draw like this. It's a tricky drawing the CH-47 Chinook cockpit windows. but for me it's not. Draw this, then make another window over here. And just draw it like this. Now let's draw the little windows. This goes over here like this. Make it over here like this. Go over here. Come up. Now it looks like a chinook. Another window. This is a door where the pilot enters. The chinook has 2 pilots and 1 relief pilot. And now let's start drawing the windows. Let's see, starting window over here. This is the first window where the M240 chain gun is located. India deployed its Chinook helicopters in the India-China border. And the US also deployed the Chinook in Afghanistan and also in Iraq. I'll just erase. Let's erase the windows. And just do white these so it will be easy for you to erase. Now let's continue drawing the windows. One over here. Just make it a little larger, like I would do top windows in white. Just make it a little larger. As you see, I've already done it, and now let's start drawing the rotors, which are also called propellers. Proceed like this. Go over here. I'll be the first animal to do a step-by-step drawing. Let's go over here. Main turbine over here like this. Make another one over here. Make this one a little smaller. Make another one over here, which points downwards. Here as you can see, I've done the front rotor. Now let's do the rear rotor. The M230 chain gun is also located over here. I'm sorry, the M240. Now let's see over here. Alright, so now let's do this. Go over here, like this. Make this one. Make another one over here. Over here. I see I've done the 2 rotors of the Chinook. Now let's do all the designs. Go over here. Go over here. So over here, United States Army, ARMY, United States Army. Everyone. I'm reading now all the designs of the Chinook. Just write the number over here. IS 08467. Just forgot to do is this one. This is another. This is a spare engine, which helps this rotor to work properly. Go over here. These dots over here. Go over here. So go over here in this line, shade it like this. Draw this over here. This is another spare rotor. As you can see, I've already now done this. This it looks like the actual US Army Chinook. As you can see, the drawing is now complete. This video is filmed in July 4th, and I thank you very much for watching this video, and I say happy 4th of July, United States.